Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete your TikTok account on Android. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just moving on, this process is pretty straightforward. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to open your menu. Okay, tap on Settings and Privacy at the top of the menu. You'll see a bunch of different options for managing your account. Here's the thing, scroll down and tap on Account. Now you'll see options like Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it and you'll see two options. If you just want to take a temporary break, you can choose to temporarily deactivate your account. But if you want to permanently delete everything, tap on Delete Account Permanently. TikTok will ask you why you're leaving. You can select a reason or just skip it. Then they'll show you what you'll lose. All your videos, followers, likes, and comments will be permanently deleted. Tap Continue, and then you'll need to agree that you have reviewed your data. Tap on Continue again. You will now get a final confirmation. Tap on Continue again. Finally, verify it's you by entering a code sent to your phone or email. Enter the verification code, then tap Delete Account one final time. Keep in mind you have 30 days to change your mind. If you log back in within that time, the deletion will be canceled. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now scheduled for deletion. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.